process of adding another 200,000 square feet.
Here we have 600.
Hi.
Srinivas.
Hi. Sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Congratulations, sir.
मैडम मैडम
Hello. Pani minus kuna chara. What did you want to do?
Already inattuga.
Briefings and informations, insights on the organizations and all. To begin with a note of good afternoon to everyone. A great philosopher, Calvin Coolidge, has said once, the only difference between a mob and a trained army is an organization. And we all know that building such an organization is a journey, not a destination. Respected dignitaries, veterans and leaders of various organizations, heads of the scientific institutions, well-wishers, media friends, and entire Vimta family. I was talking about
from the industry, research institutes, and media. A very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of Vimta and MTAC teams, I extend a warm welcome experience in contract research and testing industry. Our services cater to a wide variety of industries such as pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, food, and we are also in clinical diagnostics, environmental testing and consultancy services to almost every manufacturing sector. And now we have forayed into the electronics industries such as medical devices, IT, defense, automobile, home and industrial appliances, etc. In fact, we have been serving the medical devices industry on the analytical and biocompatibility services. And to complement these services, the thought of EMI, EMC facilities was born. As a natural extension, we decided to offer these facilities to other electronic industries. Whichever field that Vimta has entered into, we have made a distinct name for ourselves as a leader in that field. Way back in 1987 itself, we were the first Gazette notified EPA.
the brushing of the highlights, key highlights, which all our well-wishers here were very delighted to know. Thank you so much for that note once again, ma'am. As I was talking in the beginning, I was talking about two things. One was the army, another was an organization. So it's a time to hear that how this evolution has become a revolution in the history of the testing industries in India, with the highest devotion to quality, knowledge and technology. Together with you all, I humbly request our beloved chairman, Dr. Vasireddy sir, to address the gathering.
Honored guests, media friends, my dear colleagues, good afternoon to all of you. It's been a great pleasure and honor to have the EMC lab inaugurated by our Honorable Minister for Industries, IT, Municipal Administration, Urban Development, Shri K.T. Ramarao garu. We have been looking forward for this honor for quite some time. And this EMC facilities project was approved before COVID. We sanctioned a budget of 100 crores. And in the first phase, we have already spent more than 30 crores. And today you have seen. And we have already begun expanding the capacity. Civil work has commenced. So EMC will have its dedicated building in the next 12 months. And we are likely to double the capacity. There are so many equipments even in life sciences facilities which log the environmental conditions to anything. Whether it is a liquid nitrogen canister also, to see the temperature we need an electronic device which needs EMC testing. So today there is hardly anything which does not require EMC testing. So about 50 to 60 years ago, we used to see disturbances on the radio. We never understood why the disturbances were there. Because in each car you get a high tension coil operating at 18 kilowatts. So if it is a car radio, that used to make noise. And at home also the phones used to get disturbed. Noises used to prevail. So the technologies have evolved. So today practically every electronic product goes through electromagnetic interference testing and electromagnetic compatibility testing. So that's how the products are engineered today. A lot of it goes into development of any of the products today. So that's the reason we have decided to be in this line. So establishment of Vimta's EMC lab is quite timely, and this is also in line with our vision to make Vimta a multidisciplinary laboratory of global repute. In 1984, we started with testing water samples, mineral samples. Subsequently, we started certifying the ISI products, the now Bureau of Indian Standards. Then we got into pharmaceutical testing, environmental testing, so on and so forth. So every few years, we were always adding some capability which is of relevance to the industry and the economy. So this is one such strategic initiative which has brought all of us together today.
And we'll go one by one across all the services. And today we are serving almost across the spectrum of the industry, like consumer industry. Under consumer industry, you can understand the product which is very, very well visible to you at your home, like air conditioners, refrigerators, washing machines, or many more you can talk about. Under the military also, we are serving almost all sectors of the covers under the military, which could be naval, which could be air defense, which could be ground army. So we are supporting all sector of defense side, and that supports us to go up to the 100 volt per meter at 1 meter distance as per the other requirement of the defense customers or maybe the other customers of automobiles.
We have been waiting long for it. I think finally it happened today. And thanks to Honorable Minister for IT, Industries, Municipal Administration, Urban Development, we are grateful to him to inaugurate this EMC laboratory, which is a unique facility we have built. Electromagnetic compatibility lab. ఇది చాలా రేర్ ఫెసిలిటీ. ఈరోజు అన్ని సెక్టర్లోనూ పనికొస్తుంది. మెడికల్ డివైసెస్ కానీ, బయోమెడికల్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ కానీ, పేషెంట్స్ వాడే హాస్పిటల్స్లో కానీ, ఇంటి దగ్గర వాడే కానీ బయోమెడికల్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ కానీ అన్నిటికీ ఈఎంసీ టెస్టింగ్ అవసరం అవుతుంది. అంటే ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఇంటర్ఫరెన్స్ లేకుండా టెస్టింగ్ చేయాలి. మనం వాడే ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్రోడక్ట్, ఒక ఈరోజు సెల్ ఫోన్ అవ్వచ్చు, కంప్యూటర్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఒక మానిటర్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఎన్నో డివైసెస్ ఉన్నాయి మన చుట్టూ ఉన్నాయి. వాటన్నిటికీ ఈఎంసీ టెస్టింగ్ చాలా చాలా ఎసెన్షియల్. అది లేకుండా అసలు ఈరోజు మనం ఊహించలేము. ఇది చేయకపోతే ఏమవుతాయి ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అన్నిటికీ, అవి ఎంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా పనిచేస్తాయి, ఎంత ఫెయిల్యూర్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఒక 50-60 years బ్యాక్ ఇవన్నీ ఉండేవి కావు. ప్రతి దాంట్లో ఇంటర్ఫరెన్స్ వచ్చేది. ఈరోజు ఆ కష్టాలు లేవు. సో ఈఎంసీ టెస్టింగ్ ముందు ముందు ఇంకా ప్రాముఖ్యం ఉంటుంది. ఇటువంటి ఫెసిలిటీస్ చాలా తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. వీ కెన్ కౌంట్ ఇన్ ఫింగర్స్ అట్లీస్ట్ విత్ ఇన్ సిటీ. అండ్ మాకు ఇంకా ముందు ఇంకా ఈ కెపాసిటీ డబుల్ ట్రిబుల్ చేసే అవకాశం ఉంది. ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్పాన్షన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నడుస్తుంది ఇదే క్యాంపస్లో. ఇంకొక 12 to 15 monthsలో ఈ కెపాసిటీ డబుల్ అవుతుంది. వచ్చే 3 to 5 yearsలో మిగతా సిటీస్లో కూడా ఇది పెట్టే అవకాశం ఉంది. అది థ్యాంక్ యూ
మేడం.